Do you have a C5 or a C6 Corvette? Do you have this problem? Stick around. Alright, what up, y'all? So, as you can see, this doesn't work, and that's not on there. Where is it? It's right here. So, the C5 and the C6 Corvette, apparently these break a lot. So, it's got something to do with this cheap construction they got here to hold this piece together with this piece. So, yeah, I got a new latch. They really expensive for this little small piece. This was like, I think $50 or something. But it's just these two bolts right here. So I'm gonna undo those and show you how you take the key lock out of this one to put it in the new one. So step one is you get your 7mm, and this is for the C5. You get your 7mm socket, and you take these two off. On the C6, I think it is a Torx bit or just a regular screw. I don't remember on that one, but I think it's a Torx bit on the C6. So you take those two off. All right. When you take these off, that whole piece is just gonna fall out. So yeah, just like that. So you're left with this. And where am I? Recording on my phone, and my left and right is getting all confused. But anyway, yeah, you can see where it broke on the edges. So that's what you got. Now you take this, and I need a key. Your goal is to get this lock out. So I think I got the new lock. Yep, right here. So your goal is to get this lock out and put it in the new lock. All right, so all you need to do, put your key in, turn it to the right like you're trying to lock it. And when you look in through here, you'll see a little metal tab. And you just need something small. You can kind of reach in and poke that. Let's see, I'm gonna turn it one more time. So, yeah, that. You'll have to poke that in and then turn it right one more time. So let me get something to reach in there real quick. All right, so I just used this little small, that little small thing. So just to get it started, turn it all the way and just pull it all the way out. And keep it the same way, pointed the same direction. You'll slide this into the new one. And I might need two hands for this, so hold on just a second. All right, I'm back. So once you get this in the new one, all you do is turn the key to the right. When you hear that click, that means you're good. Turn it one more, and just like that. New latch, old key. Now it's just time to slap this back in. Screw in the two 7mm or the Torx bits if you got a C6, and you're good to go. And after a few minutes, close, no problem. Open it back up, close it, stays up, no problem. Now, just looking out, I'd advise you to do this yourself. I don't know what the dealership, a regular shop, anybody like that, I don't know what they would charge for this, but it literally takes like 5 minutes to do it yourself. And anybody can order a part. I put a link in the bottom for where I got the part from. And I know it's dirty in here, just forgive me, I've been busy. But yeah, I'd advise you to just do this yourself. Save whatever it is they're gonna charge you to do this, and do it yourself. It literally takes like 5 minutes. Like, it might take you longer to watch this video than it will to actually just take yours out and put the new one in. So yeah, take it from me and do it yourself. And if you didn't come from the last video, I'll show you how to fix this shifter linkage too, if you ever had that problem where you get in, you try to put it in gear, and then the shifter just moves out the way and nothing happens. So yeah, just dealt with that again. So, you know, check that video. And yeah, I guess it's time to clean this thing up now, and I guess y'all can find something else to watch, and I don't know, hope this worked for you.